Welcome back. Today, things get a little shocking. Sorry about that intro, guys. Just had to do it. Welcome to Make It and Break It, YouTube channel where we build projects and run them into the ground. My name is Andrew, and behind me is our Chrysler 300C Ute project. And today we're gonna do some odds and ends that need to get done. It's not a ton of exciting stuff, but it's kind of stuff that's quality of life, and a couple things that I do need to fix. So, as you can kind of see from the intro, we're gonna get some shocks, gas shocks on the hood behind us, and go replace the hood hinge on this other side. It's a little bit bent, and then go in. I also have a new driver's side door handle I would like to get in tonight, and I've got a little bit of troubleshooting to do with the coolant temperature sensor. The coolant temperature sensor currently thinks it's negative 40 degrees, and this is a t-shirt, so it's obviously not negative 40 degrees. So yeah, come along and we'll see if we can't break this car tonight. All right, everyone. We have completed some of our installs. We've put in the new hood pins, or the new hood shocks, and the new hood hinge over here. First thing you'll notice is this, or I noticed anyway, is this corner right here is lining up significantly better. You can see where it's actually, we get in here and look at this thing, it's actually like lining up, as opposed to where it was, and this corner would have been up here somewhere. So it was a little bit off previously. So I looked at the old one. It didn't look tweaked necessarily, but apparently it was. And things, at least on the side that didn't take any damage, are lining up a lot better now that I replaced the hood hinge. This side we still got fender gap. This side over here we still got fender gaps and things to go deal with. But we also put the new hood shocks, new gas shocks in, so that now I don't have to use the room special to hold everything up. I can just let her up. And that'll make life a lot easier when I'm in here. Working on my next couple things at some point. One of them I won't be able to get to today, but I'll show you guys what I'm dealing with here. So we're getting the check engine light on this thing. I'm gonna move my mobile light over here so you guys can see. Because I know where it is, but some of you may not. Ooh, that's terrifyingly bad lighting. Anyway, so we're getting a check engine light on this car, and the code is P0128, which is a coolant temperature sensor. Mentioned earlier, it's reading like negative 40 degrees, which is just not. So what I need to do here is get in here. I'm gonna get in right in here. You can kind of see if I can get this thing in here. You can kind of see that little threaded piece in this little electrical connection. That's our coolant temperature sensor, and I have a couple to replace with it. Unfortunately, I don't have the appropriate deep well socket, so I'm gonna have to go run to the store and get one of those. But that will happen probably next time. I don't think I'll have enough time to get it done today. The next thing on our list is to go in here and fix this driver's side door handle. So you can kind of see this thing's beat to hell. It's cracked over here, moves around, and it's real hard to use. So oftentimes it's easier just to leave the window down. So I have a new one, new black primered one, which I kind of like the black anyway. But I have a new one that I will go try and swap in here for your all enjoyment, watching me struggle with interior bits, which I'm even worse at than soldering. So enjoy the time lapse, and sorry in advance to all you actual mechanics out there who do this for a living. I know this is not how you do it. Whew, that was a struggle. You know, I don't often wish that I was smaller, but during that removal, I most certainly needed to be. I could barely fit my hands up in there. But you can see I got the broken handle out. If I stop dropping crap in front of the camera here, I kind of broke it coming out, so you can kind of see where it's supposed to be. And then this is what a complete one looks like. So this is actually goes over here, and yeah, the stuff is not great. Anyway, so that's out. Struggle, but I got there. Only broke a few things on the way. And now we're gonna go toss this back in and make sure everything works when we're done with it. So wish me luck. I probably won't time lapse this just so I don't have to worry about any of that crap and I can get this thing in because I have to go meet the lady at some point tonight. Anyway, I'll give you guys a recap and we'll do a function check once I'm done. That was much harder than expected. My hands are far too big to be messing around behind and inside doors. I think next time I'm just going to take a grind to it and let's call it good. Who needs door handles anyway? But we're going to check it out really quick and show you that we actually fixed it. So here's our brand new door handle, currently locked. Notice it doesn't shake around. This is all not broken anymore. The key does actuate the lock, so we didn't screw that up too badly. It is a little sticky. I think there's an alignment issue or something in there that I got when I was assembling it again, but it works for now. And then everything opens without causing undue amounts of movement here. That's any normal. You'll see this one. This is a one that came with it, and it opens pretty much in the same way. So we didn't lose any tooling permanently inside the door. So I haven't created myself any extra noises while driving this thing. And that's it for today. A little bit shorter of an episode, but I got some more parts coming in. New front bumper is going to go on. I decided I have a little bit of time until my my new inspection appointment. Had to miss the last one. So I'll fix the bumper, get a new grille on there. We still got engine temperature sensors and a couple other lights that I need to go through before we get the inspection. So there's still a bunch to do before we go through and get a license plate on this thing, and we'll keep that up in the next couple episodes. If you like what we're doing here, leave a comment, like, subscribe down below. I'll give you a link if I get my Amazon affiliate stuff up and going. I'll give you a link in the description to some of the parts I use, as well as some of the mounts and camera gear that I use, and some of the microphones while shooting this stuff. So thanks for watching, you guys, and if I can do it, you can do it too. That's not very motivational. Today's episode